students. Welcome to the NIOS class. Myself, Mrs. Tanushri Das. I will be the BST teacher, Business Studies teacher for the next sessions coming classes with us. So, before moving ahead to the syllabus which you people have in your NIOS, we must understand the basic concept and the basic ideas of business. So, before that, you must know what is the definition of business. So the act of getting busy is known as business. So why I am here with you? I am here with you for getting myself busy with you all. So what I am doing with you, this is also a kind of activities. This is also a kind of business which I am doing with you. Hope I have introduced myself. If I am not, once again, I am repeating. This is Tanushri Das, this side. And the next session will be quite interactive, I guess, with both of us. So now what we need to know, the activities, just now I said, the act of getting busy is known as business. So the activities which we are doing throughout the day or throughout the month, throughout the week, that is known as human activities. Those human activities are being further classified into two activities: economic activities, non-economic activities. What is economic activities? Economic activities are those activities through which you are being paid. Non-economic activities, which are non-economic activities, the activities through which you are not being paid. Suppose your mother is cooking food for you. That is an example of non-economic activity. But at the same time, your father is working outside in an office or in a factory or anywhere. So that is an economic activities. Why? Because after every month, your father is getting a salary. But after every month, your mother is getting nothing. So why? Because the activities which she is rendering, it is non-economic in nature. Because she is doing for the welfare of the family. She is doing for the family's sake. Now, out of this economic activities, we are having further classifications. So just now I said, might be your father is in office, might be he is in industry, might be he is in school. So he might be anywhere. So all these activities are having categories. If your father is in office, that activity is known as employment. That activity is known as employment. Basically, you people may be referring it as service, but in business studies, service is having some another meaning. So that is why I am replacing the word service with employment. Your father is being employed to somebody. Second one is profession. Suppose your father is an engineer and he is working, he is having his industry, or he is working, or he is associated with an industry. In that case, that work or that activity is referred as profession. Finally, I have given you the example of teaching. So teaching and all these teaching will also be referred as part of profession, but we generally refer it as service. Why? Because these are the things which we, in that particular activity, we are not producing anything. We are having an interaction with each other and we are developing relationship. We are creating lessons. I am solving your doubt. You are asking me question. It is just a relationship building, but it does not mean that we have a monetary relation. But nowadays we can say that we have a monetary relationship. Why it is so? Because people were, even the school teachers are also working as an employment. And finally, we are coming as the main point of the entire scenario, that is the business. What is business? We all know that business is the thing which an individual or group of people come together, accumulate themselves, assimilate their all together to get profit. The major aim of any business is to earn the profit. So basically what we have known just now, that there are three types of activities: economic activities, one is business, another one is profession, and third one is employment. Now the question might be, if we are having all the three activities, then what is and all the three activities are done, or all the three activities are rendered in order to earn the money. then what is the difference between all the three activities? Definitely there are some differences in all the three activities. Business is the thing which a person can do individually alone. At the same time, business can be done in a group of people, like for example partnership. In partnership we have more than one people coming together for a particular purpose. So that is business. Second thing is profession. A professional must have the sufficient skill to become the professional. Now what is this skill? Maybe businessman must not need any skill, but a professional definitely need a skill. How and why? Just now I said, I have taken the example of engineer. An engineer cannot be an engineer until and unless he has that technical skill. A doctor cannot be a doctor until and unless he possesses that medical skill with him. So that is why professional is the thing. If you want to become a professional, if you want to carry out the profession, you must have the professional skill. And the last one is employment. Employment is something where you are being employed by somebody. That means somebody is the supervising you, and under his supervision you are performing the activities. So basically this is the three main things. So there are many more interesting topics we will be having in our coming sessions. If you will enroll yourself, if you will register yourself in NIOS session, and as soon as you will enroll yourself with NIOS session, we will be having such an interactive classes, and we will able to meet one another to satisfy our business activities. I am taking the example of business activities because we are studying business studies. We can satisfy our business activities as well as the service activities also. Hope to meet